In this video, Christian's going to show you how you can replace the engine air filter on a 2007 Toyota Prius.
First step is pop the hood. The hood latch is on the right side of the Toyota symbol. Just lift this up. And then you have your hood prop right here. Goes into this hole. First, you're going to want to pop this tab. There's a clip right here. Another one right here. This lifts up. And you replace it right here. That's why you replace it. Make sure it's nice and safe in there. Put this back on. Pop this on. Pop this on. Just like that, you're done.